Welcome back, guys. It's me, Mr. Frederick, once again. And today we have a special guest. And it's my honor and privilege to present to you a computer engineer named Henry Rouse. Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
It's great to see you once again. Thank you for setting off your schedule to a little bit of your time to share with us your knowledge.
Thank you.
Like we all know, he's a computer engineer. And Henry, can you share with us what great experiences you have as a computer engineer for everybody watching?
One of the greatest experiences that I had was I was able to make good friends while I was in school. I was able to make good professors, that's really important. Association is important. When you study computer engineering, you cannot study by yourself. You cannot do it by yourself. You need to get to know people while you're studying. But that's one of the experiences that I had, the support of my family, and all of that, it worked.
Thank you so much about that. The importance of teamwork, even beyond the school grounds, very important. And life is very important, and that's inspirational. And speaking of inspirational, what inspired you? Even though computer engineering could be tough and overwhelming, what inspired you to continue in that path?
What inspired me is, especially coming from a small town from Honduras, we barely have technology over there, computers. Like when I was growing up, I didn't even have a computer back home. I think nobody had a computer back home when I was little. And that's something that really inspired me is once I got to the U.S., and went to school, and I still started seeing computer in the classroom, and I was like, wait a minute, wow, we got computer in the classroom, but that's really inspiring me. I decided, what, when I grow up, when I finish high school, I would go to school and I would study computer engineering, because and then I could share that with my people back home.
Well, very good. That inspires many that are watching today. That's so wonderful to hear that you never forget where you come from. Very important, okay? For all that is watching, never forget where you're from, all right? If you don't know where you're from, you don't know where you're going, okay? And another segment that we want to continue on is what career options are for anyone who wants to study engineering, computer engineering.
There's plenty of options. First, I would like to say that motivation and doing, you have to do your research before you wanted to start any major. You wanted to see if this is the right major for you, and if it is the right major, then I would tell you go for it. Go study and do it. It might not be easy at the beginning, but my recommendation would be, go for it. Motivate yourself. Work hard. You will get it. That was my inspiration my experience that I would like to share with you guys.
Well, thank you so much. It's like if it was easy, anybody would do it. But since it's tough, things that are really worth it needs to make you sweat, needs to push you to your limit and challenge you. And another thing I'd like to ask you, for everybody, the viewers that are wondering, what message you have for young people that are inspiring to become a computer engineer as well?
My message for those young guys out there is focus, guys. Follow your passion. If you really want to become an engineer and somebody told you that you cannot do it, don't listen to those people. I remember when I first went to school trying to register for computer engineering. I remember my counselor told me, "Oh, are you sure that you want to do computer engineering? Because there's a lot of math and a lot of science." I don't know why she told me that, but it was kind of weird. But in that moment, if I would have been like I told you, if I would be like a weak person, probably would have not studied computer engineering. But what I would like to say is follow your passion, focus, work hard. It's a lot of math, it's a lot of science, but at the end, it's worth it. you will, at the end, you will appreciate it.
Thank you very much. We appreciate. Thank you for coming up and giving us a piece of your time and sharing your knowledge.
Thank you for the interview.
It's very important that you have the right mindset. I'm glad you mentioned that. You must be strong. You must push forward. You need to work smart and work hard. All right? So if hard work, stay connected, and thank you for watching, guys. Remember, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and to share this. Also, Henry Rouse has a YouTube channel in Gari World. Feel free, I'm going to put in the link below. Feel free to subscribe to his channel and to learn more. All right, you want to learn more about engineering? This is your man. Okay, this is Mr. Frederick, and I'll see you in the next video.
Thank you.